The Shasta County Board of Supervisors is being hit with a civil complaint over the agreement to relocate the Wind River Casino. Action News Now reporter Taylor Helms is live outside the Shasta County Administration office on Court Street. So Taylor, when did this all start?
So talks about moving the casino first started back in 2019, but the complaint, which was filed last Tuesday and is here in my hands, it was filed last Tuesday, like I said. It mentions specifically concerns about the July 25th meeting last year that the Board of Supervisors had. So that meeting is when the Board of Supervisors formally approved the intergovernmental agreement between the county and the Redding Rancheria. The agreement gives the green light to relocate the Wind River Casino to land across the Sacramento River known as the Strawberry Fields. The civil complaint calls this agreement illegal. The complaint is requesting that a permanent injunction prohibiting the board from taking any action, spending public money or resources on this project. But Supervisor Kevin Crye says this project is moving forward despite the recent complaint filed. So in the complaint, the county council warned the board that his office had not yet reviewed the agreement. Is that true?
Well, if that's what the complaint says, I can tell you this, that is the definition of incompetence. If you've had agreements for 4 years and haven't had the opportunity to look at them. I mean, by the time this arrived on the Board of Supervisors' desk to make a motion and movement to vote to support or not support this agreement, I personally had all the information I needed. And if there was an attorney that hadn't had time to look at it in 4 years, if they haven't looked at it in 4 years, they're not going to look at it.
Looking more into it on the Secretary of State's website, the plaintiff, California Land Stewardship Council, LLC, was formed on February 5th this year. We had reached out to the San Francisco law firm that filed the complaint to find out who's behind this organization. But like I said earlier, Supervisor Kevin Crye says this project is moving forward despite the recent complaint filed. So in the past hour, I received a statement from the Redding Rancheria in response to this complaint, and they said in part they've been recently made aware of a newly formed secretive group calling themselves the California Land Stewardship Council, adding that this complaint appears to be designed to impact the upcoming Shasta County elections, which those primaries are March 5th, rather than seeking any legal remedy, and alleges some perceived theoretical future harm, and that most of the claim contained in the complaint are demonstrably false, and that the complaint does not appear to be a serious tool for litigation, adding that the Redding Rancheria confidently supports the county supervisors for its 4-to-1 vote last year, voting to adopt this local agreement. Live in Redding, Taylor Helms, Action News Now, coverage you can count on.
Thank you, Taylor. And that complaint is demanding a trial by jury, but as of now, it's not a lawsuit. Again, it's a civil complaint.